Understanding basic English grammar is essential for effective communication, whether you're speaking, writing, reading, or listening. Grammar provides the rules that govern how words are combined to form meaningful sentences. Here is an overview of the fundamental components of English grammar. 1. Parts of speech. English words are categorized into different parts of speech based on their function in a sentence. The main parts of speech include a. Nouns, definition, words that name people, places, things, or ideas, examples, dog, city, happiness, book. B. Pronouns, definition, words that replace nouns to avoid repetition, examples, he, she, it, they, who. C. Verbs. Definition, words that express actions, states, or occurrences, examples, run, is, seem, become. D. Adjectives, definition, words that describe or modify nouns and pronouns, examples, happy, blue, large, quick. E. Adverbs, definition, words that modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs, often ending in ly, examples, quickly, very, well, silently. F. Prepositions, definition, words that show relationships between nouns, or pronouns, and other words in a sentence, examples, in, on, at, between, under. G. Conjunctions, definition, words that connect words, phrases, or clauses, examples, and, but, or, because, although. H. Interjections. Definition, words that express strong emotions or sudden bursts of feeling, examples, wow, ouch, hey, oh. 2. Sentence structure, understanding how to structure sentences correctly is crucial for clear communication. English typically follows a subject-verb-object, SVO, order. Basic sentence components, subject, the person or thing performing the action, verb, the action or state of being, object, the person or thing receiving the action, example, she, subject, reads, verb, a book, object. B. Types of sentences, declarative, makes a statement, example, I enjoy reading, interrogative, asks a question, example, do you like coffee, imperative, gives a command or request, example, please close the door, exclamatory, expresses strong emotion, example, what a beautiful day. 3. Verb tenses. Verb tenses indicate the time of action or state of being. English has three main tenses, past, present, and future, each with four aspects. Present tense, simple present, I walk. Present continuous, I am walking. Present perfect, I have walked. Present perfect continuous, I have been walking. B. Past tense, simple past, I walked. Past continuous, I was walking. Past perfect, I had walked. Past perfect continuous, I had been walking. C. Future tense, simple future, I will walk. Future continuous, I will be walking. Future perfect, I will have walked. Future perfect continuous, I will have been walking. For subject-verb agreement, subjects and verbs must agree in number, singular or plural. Singular subject, the cat runs fast. Plural subject, the cats run fast. Note, some subjects may appear plural but are singular, such as collective nouns or subjects joined by and. 5. Articles define nouns as specific or unspecific. Definite article refers to a specific item, example, the book on the table is mine. B. Indefinite articles, a, and, an, refers to a nonspecific item, use, before consonant sounds, a cat, use, an, before vowel sounds, an apple. 6. Modifiers. Modifiers provide additional information about other elements in a sentence. They should be placed close to the word they modify to avoid confusion. Adjectives and adverbs. Adjective example, the blue sky. Adverb example, she sings beautifully. Beat misplaced and dangling modifiers, misplaced, incorrect placement causing confusion, incorrect. She almost drove her kids to school every day, correct. She drove her kids to school almost every day, dangling, modifier has no clear subject. Incorrect, running quickly, the finish line was crossed, correct. Running quickly, she crossed the finish line, 7. Pronouns and their cases. Pronouns change form based on their function in a sentence. A. Subjective case, used as the subject. Examples, I, you, he, she, it, we, they. B. Objective case, used as the object. Examples, me, you, him, her, it, us, them. C. Possessive case, shows ownership. Examples, my/mine, your/yours, his, her/hers, its, our/ours, their/theirs. Example sentence, she, subjective, gave the book to him, objective. It is her, possessive, book. 8. Prepositional phrases. A prepositional phrase begins with a preposition and ends with a noun or pronoun. Example, she sat on the chair. 9. Conjunctions and compound sentences. Conjunctions connect words, phrases, or clauses. Coordinating conjunctions, fanboys, for, and, nor, but, or. Yet, so. Example, I wanted to go, but it was raining. B. Subordinating conjunctions, connect dependent clauses to independent clauses. Examples, because, although, since, unless. Example, I stayed home because it was raining. C. Compound sentences, consist of two independent clauses joined by a conjunction. Example, I wanted to read, and I found a good book. 10. Passive and active voice. A. Active voice, the subject performs the action. Example, the chef cooked the meal. B. Passive voice, the subject receives the action. Example, the meal was cooked by the chef. Note, active voice is generally preferred for clarity and directness. 11. Direct and indirect speech. Direct speech, quoting the exact words spoken. Example, she said, I am learning English. B. Indirect speech, paraphrasing what someone said. Example, she said that she was learning English. 12. Common grammar tips. A. Use correct verb forms. Ensure verbs match the subject in tense and number. Incorrect, he go to school. Correct, he goes to school. B. Avoid sentence fragments. Ensure each sentence has at least a subject and a verb. Fragment, because I was late. Complete, I missed the bus because I was late. C. Punctuation matters. Use commas, periods, question marks, and other punctuation marks appropriately to clarify meaning. D. Consistent tense. Maintain the same tense throughout a sentence or related sentences unless a shift in time is necessary. Example, incorrect, she was walking to the store and buys some bread. Correct, she was walking to the store and bought some bread. 13. Practice and application. To effectively grasp English grammar, practice is essential. Here are some tips. 1. Read regularly. Exposure to well-structured sentences enhances understanding. 2. Write daily. Practice writing sentences, paragraphs, and essays to apply grammatical rules. 3. Use grammar resources. Utilize grammar books, online exercises, and language apps. 4. Seek feedback. Have others review your writing to identify and correct mistakes. 5. Engage in conversations. Speaking with others helps reinforce correct grammar usage in real time. By familiarizing yourself with these basic grammar components and consistently practicing, you'll build a strong foundation for proficient English communication. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.